So JavaScript Developer Certification Maintenance Summer 2021. So this time they are giving the multiple choice. Okay, so let's see one by one. So which IP address does inspector so bind to by default? Which IP address? So that is so 127.0.0.1. Right. So which is this one? See. Next. When is the track decorator is unnecessary? Right. So when this one is the track decorator is necessary. So having some errors on what. Okay. Fourth one. The field contains an error and an object, so that time we are going to track the information. Next, which version of the jest is necessary for the successful test after updating the SFDC website jest version 0.9.0? Just. Uh, so version 25.5.4. 25.5.4, that is C. So what's affected by the user profile restriction for the Apex class? So you are enabled methods. So that is lighting components and auto components, right? Then coming to the fifth one, in lighting web component, what should be printed to the permission name to check the user's custom permission installed from the managed package. Managed package. So namespace underscore namespace followed by the underscore. Next. So what should be used to communicate with the visual force pages or components and lightning web components? That is lightning message service. You got it? Check it. Yes.